Hi everyone! I just want to share a really cool thing that I was playing around in Claude Cowork. So let's say if you're learning a certain area or skill, for example, for me, I'm learning storytelling right now. So I consume a lot of content about storytelling and follow a lot of creators talking about storytelling. And I'm going to show you how you can turn that knowledge that you're consuming from different people into a skill. So I follow this guy called Callaway, and he has quite good videos on storytelling, on different frameworks that I learned from. So he has this video, and what I want to do is I copy this link, I go into NotebookLM, paste this link. I want to get a transcript to this video. So here's the transcript. I'm going to copy this. I'm going to come to a new task and I'm going to say, I want you to analyze the transcript from this video and outline the key points that are important to remember and use in order to become good at storytelling, certain frameworks, step by step. So make sure to capture the real meat of this transcript and create a summary for me. And then I'm going to paste the transcript. Okay, so now we have the summary of this storytelling framework that he's talking about in his video. So it really just walked the video step by step, identify the main things, the concepts that he highlights, how to apply it, what words to use and so on. So it's like really good, really intense kind of knowledge that is concentrated here. And here comes the awesome hack. What we can do now here, we go into this task, we press on this down arrow, and then we press turn it into skill. We can also just tell Claude, turn it into skill. If we already have a storytelling skill, for example, or if you already have a content skill, you can just ask it to add and to integrate that into existing skill if you want. But for now, I just want to turn it in a separate one because I'm not sure I want to use this framework all the time. So it's helpful just to have it separately. So Claude will go ahead and think a little bit. It asks me, what do I want to trigger it, analyze transcript, or what do you want to apply to writing your own content? I would just say analyze and apply. What format? I will keep the markdown. What should trigger the skill? Use a storytelling skill, for example. So every time I would prompt Claude, I would give some brain dump of what I want to talk about. I will ask Claude trigger the storytelling skill, and it will go ahead and do that. So I think this is so cool. We're always trying to improve certain things, the way we do things. And imagine you found a creator or you found someone you follow online that you really like learning from. So this could be like an additional support to you to help it apply. So you learn, you turn it into skill if you really like this approach, and then you can use it to help you refine, like in this case, my content. Okay, so now we can see it's done with the skill. It identified all the techniques that he walks through in the videos, what kind of frameworks and so on and so forth. So we just want to copy it to our skill. And now we can have it, and now we'll see it in our skill. So now every time you want to do some work with it, you're going to start a new task, do whatever you need to do, and then activate the skill and use it. I think it's really cool. Just wanted to share it with you. Hope it gives you some new ideas of what you can turn into skills into your Claude Cowork and use it from there.